In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction and manage all of those options however you want to. If you wish to access text correction settings much faster in the future, make sure this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip is blue. Then access your keyboard and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction options right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!